Hello everybody, this is Zero here. Welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Please press the like, because it helps this video get out to people who may be in need of this video. Please leave your comments. We'd love to hear from you and how you found these videos and this channel. Please go to my website and you'll find additional information there, and as it builds up. Now today we are going to be talking about, hold on, the mongooses have put up a chair and yes, they're settled in. Today is, do you know how to use the mirror? And you may be thinking this is a very interesting title and subject. Do you know how to use a mirror? And many of us will say, yes, I do. I just go to a mirror and I look into the mirror and I see a reflection and I do whatever I need to do and I move off. But do you take time in understanding what does that mirror do to you? What does it give you in return? What is it reflecting? Are you seeing the true reflection of who you are? Are you seeing those wonderful, great ideas start to spring forth? Or do you see the eyes that sees a destiny before you? Or do you see eyes that are faded and jaded, that has lost its spark for living? To be able to use this mirror is to bring a change in your circumstances beyond your wildest dreams, if you're prepared to put in the work. And it's going to be necessary for you to put into work, because many times maybe people who look into the mirror are not happy what they see. They start to look for all the things that have gone wrong, all the things that doesn't look right. They start to pull apart the image that they see. And they start to listen to all the naysayers that have spoken to them over the years. Friends, family, close relations, even their own self. And they allow those voices to take control and reign. Sometimes a reign of terror ensues. But if you can start to move and start to use the mirror to your advantage and start to see the true potential that you have there, the goodness there, person of inspiration, the person who have integrity, the person who is able to understand things from a totally new perspective, life starts to change. And when you start to see the mirror that can give and encourage you to be whole and complete, again, that is something new and something wonderful. Don't shortchange yourself and start to say, you know, I've gone past my best, I haven't got anything to give. That's not true. It's only true when you start to believe it. When you start and you're prepared to live that life that is a closed road to you. Life was meant, and it is, so many different routes and multifaceted areas. And when you start to take time to look into yourself, you will start to see there's still life there. There's still opportunities for you to take hold of. And you've got to be prepared. You've got to be prepared to see that true reflection. And sometimes many of you have come across, when you start to look and start to examine yourself, and you see that reflection in there, you see somebody that you don't recognize. You see somebody that has opportunity. They have a destiny. They have a vision. They have dreams. And it frightens you because you can't believe that the person that is looking back at you is really you. Well, it is you. And you've got something there that the world needs. And you've got to be prepared to let it out. And not just live in a reflection, but to be living in you every single day. The world's waiting and it needs you. Allow us to enjoy that part of you. Well, if I can be of help to you, please contact us. Please like this video, and until next time, take care now. Bye bye.